Attention, please. Okay, now salute. Down. What is your name?
My name is Adnan.
And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Ghulam Asghar.
Adnan Asghar?
Ghulam Asghar.
Huh?
Ghulam Asghar.
Ghulam Asghar. Okay, tell me, who is the last prophet?
Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who is the last prophet.
And what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
And where did you grow up?
I am in a grow Deska.
Oh, I grew up in Daska. Not I am. When you will use the did, you will not use the am. Okay. Do you love army?
Yes,
Why you love army?
me.
Why you love army? Okay.
Me.
When we celebrate Defense Day?
6 number.
On 6th number?
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of your Prime Minister?
My Prime Minister Imran Khan.
Oh, your Prime Minister is Imran Khan? And what is the name of your country?
My country is Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Zindabad.
Zindabad. Okay. Who wrote the national anthem?
Who? Hafiz Jalandhari.
Hafiz Jalandhari. How many lines in national anthem?
15.
15?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, now tell me how many siblings you have?
My sister 3 and brother 2.
You have 3 sisters?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And who create everything?
My creator.
Might create?
Who?
Who create everything?
My
Who create you?
My creator is Islam.
No. Who create? No, you don't know. Okay, tell me. Okay, what is your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Housewife. Okay, that's right. Sorry. Who teach you first period?
English.
English? Who teach you? Who is your teacher of English period?
My teacher Sharish.
Teacher Sarish. Okay, salute and go.